Hi, this is a summary of Module 2 learning objectives. That is what you are expected to be able to do in Module 2 when you complete Module 2 in Excel. The required resources would be Microsoft Excel software, a reliable computer, and course textbook. The course textbook is Microsoft Office 365 Excel 2019. It's Engage Shelley Cashman series by Freund and Starks. This is the textbook that's recommended for you. Upon completion of Module 2, you'll be able to use Flash Fill. You'll be able to enter formulas using the keyboard, enter formulas using point mode, apply the max, mean, and average functions. That's maximum, minimum, and average functions. Verify a formula using Range Finder. Apply a theme to a workbook. Apply a date format to a cell or range. Add conditional formatting to cells. Change column width and row height. Check the spelling on a worksheet. Change margins and headers in page layout view, and preview and print versions and sections of a worksheet. Upon completion of Module 2 in your course book, you'll be able to do these learning objectives. At the end of the course book, you have apply it and extend it activities. You will be needing data files for this. Data files that you'll be needing would be attached to your classroom. Will be attached in your classroom, and if you need it, if you're not able to get it in the classroom, please email me on adedokun@abc.nb.ca. Thank you very much. If you have any question whatsoever from Module 1 or any other question relating to Module 2, the learning objectives that I've read, kindly send an email immediately and it will be responded to. Thank you once again.